Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the remote keyless entry, with 2 transmitters, panic button and content theft alarm, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, cruise control, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, tires, LT235/80 or 17 all-terrain and the license plate front mounting package. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.